Folks, well, I'm back, and I can't tell you how many messages I got for get well, Bob, and hurry back, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate all the well wishers. So I'm back in the hangar and doing everything we can to set this airplane on the ground. We're not quite there yet. I was hoping we'd get it done this week. John Egbert, you guys all know John Egbert if you've been watching my show for a while. He's been up here doing what he can to to finish polishing around the nose door. So we've got the gear up and stowed, and his job today is to try to get this all polished out, and we'll get this done. One of the things that's keeping us from setting this on the ground, the axle nuts on these airplanes, the mains are 4-inch, the nose is 2 7/8, and we just don't have the sockets to torque them to their proper torque. So we're waiting for those to come in, and we'll get those on, we'll get the hubcaps on, and set this thing on the ground. Hey boys and girls out there in YouTube land, welcome to the high maintenance hangar, where we've got the continuing saga of the landing gear, but we're making huge progress. All right, the main gear appear to be doing everything they're supposed to be doing. You saw last week how we manually put up the gear. Well, this week we're continuing on. We actually had to do some more rigging in the nose gear. The numbers are just so tight. You adjust this bolt, the one we had to have made, and that affects this turnbuckle. You turn the turnbuckle, it affects this. So we're just talking little nuances, quarter turns and stuff like that. But so now we've got everything done. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to get everything cotter pinned and safetied and all that stuff, and we are going to hook up the mule and we're going to do some runs and see how this goes. Hey folks, it's a great day at the high maintenance hangar. Beautiful day outside, mid 70s. It's not raining, not blowing, a little bit hazy, but yeah, otherwise a really beautiful day. But today's pretty historic. For the first time in pretty close to 3 decades, we think, the landing gear is going to go up and down under power with the tires, the doors. I'm sure we're going to run the nose gear a couple of times before we hook up the doors just to make sure that it cycles correctly. Here's our mule. Now our piping is a little unorthodox. We haven't hooked up the engine to the firewall yet, so that's where we plumbed into there. In the future we'll do something else, but this is going to work. It's going to be slow just because there's not a lot of volume in this. We'll get this going and we're going to have a party. Okay, we got the mule hooked up. We're ready to test things. First thing we're going to do, we're going to turn on the pump with the gear handle down and verify we don't have any leaks anywhere. We don't want to have any leaks, so stand by.
And you're on A, and you're on A. Okay.
Okay. All right, here goes nothing, Jan.
What's the pressure? 0. I kind of monitor the pressure.
Okay, all the gear is broke loose from their locks. And like we said earlier, this is going to take a minute because it's really low volume.
You're coming up. Okay, Morris. Morris! Forgot about the other valve. Okay, good. That's about how fast it is.
Yeah, except we don't have to do it by hand.
Okay, this nose is coming up right now really quick. It's going to nest right now, but it won't lock for a little bit. Who's on the pump? So I'm showing 500 down here. You're showing what up there? 400. 400. If there's a problem,
Okay. There want the doors?
there's a problem, turn the pump off, right?
Yeah.
What? If there's a problem, turn the pump off. There's fuel. You're losing pressure. That gauge is showing 450. 500.
Okay. It's slow, but this is infinitely better than doing it by hand.
I'm seeing 600, buddy. Yeah, I went the wrong one. Outer one. Outer. Do that one there. 750. Okay, 650. Okay, that's pretty close to this. Okay, Dylan, just for chatting right now, don't do anything. Okay, it's coming up. When the mains finally get up and locked and the doors are all closed, we'll have you, I think we'll turn the system off here. And so landing gear handle, I don't know if the D25 does probably does, but you take landing gear handle and go halfway down into the phone. And that's where we'll set that.
Okay, there goes the right, left main, and there goes the doors. Cool.
The left main is up and locked.
Yeah.
Nose is up and locked. Did you get a pressure drop a bit? That's 11. Huh? Oh, there it goes. Okay, there it goes.
Down to 750.
Okay.
I couldn't see it. Didn't look like a hit.
Okay.
All right, we're going to put the gear handle down and watch the gear fall. All right, we ready? Dave, do you want to look at that?
Yeah.
You ready?
Okay, pump on, Bob.
Okay. Okay, we're immediately at 750, 800.
Okay, go ahead and put it all the way down.
Okay, here we go. Oh, fantastic.
Oil came halfway. Okay, when it's down and locked, let's see where it's at. Yeah.
Okay, again, this mule is really, really slow. Okay, there goes, if the gear doors, if you can see that cylinder right there. Here it comes.
Took how long to lock?
Okay, there you go. Now it's just got to go to lock.
Hey, Bob, did you see this hose?
Yeah. Okay. Gears down and locked. We have 3 green. I think we're going to do it again after we hook up these gear doors. Okay. Number 2 attempt.
Okay. Okay, John, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, John, come on up.
Okay,
You're up.
coming up.
Okay, we've got some more volume going on now. Stand by for the doors to close.
236.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It didn't catch.
No red, no green.
Okay. No red?
No red, no green. No lights.
Nice, slow it to the red. Is this her phone? You want to sit down here? You okay?
Now we have a Huey landing. Both seem to be going up the same. A lot faster this time. Okay, there goes the left main again. Not sure why this thing is, there we go, it's starting to move. This is faster this time than the first time. What's the question, Dave?
John, give it a couple of pumps. I got 800 up here.
Hey, John,
800
Dave,
up here.
John,
Yes.
Dave wants you to give it a couple of hand pumps.
Okay.
You sure on the gate, John?
Yes.
Bypass on, Jen?
Okay, how's that? Still showing 800 pounds.
No, we never turned off the bypass. Did you give it a couple of pumps, John?
I did, yep. You want
You
2
did.
more?
No, I don't think it's making any difference.
Good push, Bob.
Losing pressure.
All the lights are off and on?
All the lights are off.
I'm a little nervous about the nose gear.
Huh?
I'm nervous about the nose gear. I think the doors are holding the nose gear up.
Really?
Okay, turn the pump off.
Should that come down?
Unless it went up and latched afterwards.
Kind of has to do that.
Oh, now it is, barely.
So press and hold.
Stop moving.
Okay, now dump it. Come off.
Okay, off. Try again. Oh. Okay, something clicked.
Hopefully it finished going up in afterwards. But it was sitting on the doors. Okay. You ready?
Okay, John, I'm going to bring the pump back on.
All right.
Tell me when you get some pressure.
Okay. It's holding at 800.
Okay. Gear down.
Okay, go ahead and select gear down.
Okay, gear down. Yeah, pressure's 0, no green, no red.
Okay, I got 0 here too. No red.
No red, no
So that means the lights turn is geared to the nose well, or wired to the nose well, huh? Only.
Okay, it did latch. Okay, good. comes the nose. Right there. Okay. Okay. Turning off the pump. I want to thank everybody for watching our videos, and hopefully you've got some entertainment out of it. If you can, I'd really appreciate a share, a like, and a subscription. And if you can, we're still trying to come up with enough funds to buy our other radio. So I'll leave a link down in the description for our GoFundMe. If you can see your way clear to add to that, we'd so greatly appreciate it. Anyway, stay tuned for next week. We'll see what we get done. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
Just testing it.